Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone is well. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can import database query data into the SQL's database GUI or the graphical user interface and therefore import the database data into the SQL's GUI. And I'll also show how you can create database user and assign user permissions in order to interact or use the database data effectively. So in order to do that, what I'll do first here is, if you go to the SQL's GUI, so if I open up SQL's, so this is the SQL's. As you can see, there is a select database option. So as you can see, there are a lot of options here: choose database, add database, refresh databases. So if I click on add database, this will add or create a new database. So you have to give it a name. Let's say I name it test dc for sk. So if I click on add, this will add the database. So there is a new database added into the Mysql server. So this is the new database. Now we don't have any tables right now, so we have to import all the tables. So in order to do that, I have a SQL query file. So if I go to this folder and open up this file dc4sk.sql, so if I double click it, it has the query file. This is the query file to import all the tables. So if I run this query, let's say I run all the queries, this will import all the tables. So I have now the tables. As you can see, if I look at the structure, I have the tables. So this is, all these tables are imported in the test dc4sk database. So this is how you can import database tables by importing the query files, therefore import the database tables. Another thing that I want to show you is how you can create a database user and assign user permissions to interact with this data that we have just imported. So if I go to on the right hand side, users, as you can see, there are a lot of users here. So this is the root user, this is my customized user. I can create a new user and assign user permissions to that user. So for example, if I want to create a new user, I have to click on this plus icon. As you can see that it shows add user. So if I go to add users and then let's name it sk 456, let's say, and give it a password, let's say 123456, and apply. Okay, so I have to give a password that satisfies the requirements. So let's say I give it another password. So now, as you can see, this user has been created. Right now the username as password is showing from the general tab. So if I go to global privileges, as you can see, there are a lot of privileges, but none of them are selected. So if I go to check all and check all the privileges and apply, this will apply all the privileges. So if I applied, all the privileges has been applied. So the sk456 user now can have all the privileges to this database test _dc_for_sk. So this is how you can import database table into this database, or create a new database first, then import the database data and add a database user and grant permissions to the database user to interact with that data or manipulate that data. So this is what I wanted to highlight in this video. So thank you for watching.